In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cilantro stripper. First, I'm tracing out the shape for it. Now I'm getting my jigsaw and cutting out the shape on red cedar wood. Now I'm drilling in the holes for the cilantro to go into. Now I'm wetting it with water to raise the grain so that when it gets wet, it won't be all rough. Now I'm putting the beeswax oil. I'm doing 2 coats on both sides. Just got done. Look at this.